Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Dukhan Bank. Now, for you to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once you've opened up a web browser, on the search bar type in DUKHAN space BANK and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now, on this page, simply click on the first link. After you click on the first link, you'll be redirected to the home page of Dukhan Bank. Now, on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see two options: personal online banking and corporate online banking. So, choose what kind of online banking you want and then click on it. After you click on one of the options, you'll be redirected to the login page. Now, if you have your login credentials, simply fill in these details and then click on this login button. If you don't have an account, find this register now option and click on it. Once you click on the register option, another form will appear on your screen. Now, on this form, you'll have to fill in your ATM card number here, your PIN number here, click on this I accept option and then click on this I'm not a robot option and then click on submit. Once you click on submit and if these credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to step 2 for some more verification details and a account in the Dukhan Bank will be created for you. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the Dukhan Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.